Imagine standing in the middle of the driest desert on earth. The sun is beating down, there is no water for miles, and the wind kicks up clouds of thick, dry dust. Suddenly, out of the haze, a massive settlement appears, but there is no one here. The streets are completely silent. Doors creak in the wind, a rusted swimming pool sits empty, and a beautiful old theater waits for an audience that will never arrive. Welcome to Humberstone, a forgotten ghost town hidden deep inside the Atacama Desert of Chile. Today we are going to explore how this massive oasis was built in such a harsh place and why thousands of people suddenly packed up and left it all behind. To understand what happened to Humberstone, we have to travel back in time to the late 1800s. Back then, this deserted place was actually the center of a massive global boom. People from all over the world flocked to this unforgiving desert. Why? They were looking for something called white gold. This was not actual gold though. It was a mineral called saltpeter or sodium nitrate. At the time, the world desperately needed this stuff to make fertilizer for farming and explosives for mining and war. The Atacama Desert was full of it, and Humberstone quickly became one of the biggest, busiest mining towns in the entire world. It is hard to believe when you look at the crumbling ruins today, but life in Humberstone was actually incredibly vibrant. The people who lived here worked extremely hard under the brutal desert sun, but they also built a real community. They did not just build dusty factories, they built a little oasis. The town had its own massive theater where families would go to watch plays and movies. There was a bustling central market, a beautiful hotel, and even a public swimming pool made out of cast iron. Thousands of men, women, and children called this place their home, creating a lively neighborhood right in the middle of nowhere. So, what went wrong? Why would such a successful and lively town turn into a graveyard of rusted metal and crumbling brick? The answer actually comes down to a scientific invention. During World War I, scientists figured out a way to make synthetic saltpeter in a laboratory. It was cheaper, faster, and much easier to get. Almost overnight, the demand for natural saltpeter from the Chilean desert completely crashed. The factories simply could not afford to stay open. Slowly but surely, the workers started to lose their jobs and pack their bags. By the 1960s, the town was officially abandoned, leaving all of those beautiful buildings to the mercy of the desert. Walking through Humberstone today is an incredibly eerie experience because the Atacama Desert is so extremely dry the town has not rotted away like other abandoned places. Instead, it has been perfectly preserved like a giant time capsule. You can still see the old posters hanging on the peeling walls of the theater. In the houses, you can find old shoes, broken toys, and pieces of furniture just sitting there, covered in decades of dust. The massive iron mining machines are covered in bright orange rust, standing like giant metal skeletons against the bright blue sky. When the wind blows through the empty streets, making the loose tin roofs bang and clatter, it almost sounds like the ghosts of the old miners are still working. Humberstone is now protected as a World Heritage Site, keeping its incredible history safe for future generations. It stands as a haunting reminder of how quickly things can change and how a booming city can disappear into the sands of time. If you ever get the chance to visit Chile, it is an absolute must-see for anyone who loves history and exploring forgotten places. Thank you so much for walking through this deserted desert oasis with me today. If you enjoyed this journey into the past, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which abandoned place we should explore next. I will see you in the next video.